Hi guys, and thank you so much for joining today. Today what I'm going to be doing is an acrylic abstract beach effect. I'm going to be doing a dirty pour over here to create the sand, and then over here I'm going to be doing a swipe over a number of blues to create the water. What I have is, this canvas is an 18 by 24 inch canvas. I have these various blues over here. Each one of them has 120 grams of paint in them. They are all mixed in a ratio of 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water. And each of them has 2 very small drops of silicone in them. So those are obviously the blues that I'm going to use. The white that I'm going to swipe with is titanium white, which is mixed in the ratio of 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. All of these are Artist Loft paints. The sandy colors that I'm going to be using are all in this cup, and I've layered them in. From the bottom I have DecoArt Champagne Gold. Then on top of that I have Unbleached Titanium by Artist Loft. Then on top of that I have DecoArt Extreme Sheen Metallic Paint 24 karat gold. And on top of that I have DecoArt Americana Fawn. All of those paints are mixed in the ratio of 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. And as I mentioned, I layered those 4 paints in the order that I just told you, and then I did another layer again in the same order. I am going to just mark out where the beach is going to be, and then I'll layer on those colors. Okay, so that's just to guide where I actually want to put these paints. So I'm just tilting it to spread the paint around, get it to the edge of the canvas, hopefully. I'm really just going to spread the various blues all around the canvas, and then we'll do a swipe over that. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and swipe over the blue with the white. Okay, so now I'm going to bring you in for a front view as well as a close-up. I really like how the sand turned out. I like the various layers in there, and the little bit of the gold shimmer is pretty cool to me. Sorry about the glare. And then moving into the water and the blues. I'm really happy with the way the cells turned out. There's a whole bunch of them. Some small ones, some big ones. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and like the video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Goodbye.